You can type your attendance now. Okay. Then what we have studied in your previous class? We are discussing about the division of fractions, is it? Okay. Then before that we have studied how to multiply two fractions. What we have to say in the multiplication of two fractions? What's important in the multiplication of fractions? What we are actually doing there?
Reciprocal.
The division is reciprocal.
Before that, before the division, we have studied about multiplication. In the case of multiplication, we only have to do multiply both numerators and multiply both denominators, is it? Do you remember them?
Yes.
Okay. After that, we have studied about what? Division of fractions. Okay. Then in the division of fractions, if there are some cases, is it? The first case was division of whole number by a fraction. How we divide a whole number by a fraction? While dividing a whole number by a fraction, what we have to remember? All of you please type your attendance. While we are dividing two numbers or a number with a fraction, we have to take the reciprocal, is it? Then what's the reciprocal? What's the reciprocal of a fraction? What's it?
Denominator, numerator, denominator.
Yes, that's it. By choosing the reciprocal, we have to interchange the numerator and denominators, is it? Okay, then while dividing a whole number with a fraction, we have to replace the division with the multiplication with the reciprocal of that fraction, is it? That is, if we have to divide 2 by 1 by 2, then we have to change that 1 by 2 as, what is the reciprocal of 1 by 2?
2 by 1.
2 by 1 or 2 itself, is it? So, while multiplying a number or a whole number by a, while dividing a whole number with a fraction, we have to multiply the fraction's reciprocal. Then what about division of a fraction by a whole number? We are dividing a fraction by a whole number. That is, for example, I have to divide 2 by 3 by 4 divided by 3. We are dividing with a whole number. Okay. Then we know that every whole number can be written as a fraction by choosing the denominator 1. Is it? Every whole number or integers can be written as in the form of which numbers? In fractions or rational numbers by choosing its denominator as 1. That's why we can take its reciprocal. That is, the reciprocal of every whole number is 1 by that whole number. That is, the reciprocal of 3 is 1 by 3, or reciprocal of 4 is 1 by 4, and so on. Okay, then I think we are discussing about the division of fraction by another fraction, is it? Division of a fraction by another fraction. Then I have told you in page number 45, first try this box as your homework. How many of you completed it? How many of you? Then what about others? Page number 45. Latecomers, please mark your attendance. How many of you completed your homework? Okay, then what is 7 divided by 2 by 5? What is the answer of 7 divided by 2 by 5, Jiva? What's it? Jiva, I am asking to you. What is the answer of 7 divided by 2 by 5? Look at me. What is the answer? Did you complete your homework? Why? Why? From our next class onwards, I don't permit anyone who did not complete your homework to attend my class, okay? Without completing your homework, you don't need to attend my class from next class onwards. Got it? Okay, then Harinand.
Miss, ഈ ഡിവിഷനെ പഠിപ്പിക്കുന്ന ക്ലാസ്സിലുണ്ടായില്ല.
Division?
ഈ ഡിവിഷനെ പഠിപ്പിക്കുന്ന ക്ലാസ്സിലുണ്ടായില്ല.
Okay, that's okay. Okay. Then just test. What is the answer of 7 divided by 2 by 5? All of you please turn on your camera. Okay, then Delvin, what is the answer of 7 divided by 2 by 5?
35 by 2.
Is it 35 by 4? 35 by 5? No, Adra.
33 by 2.
33 by 2.
2 denominator. 35 by 2.
Okay, 35 by 2. Is it 35 by 2? All of you? No. What is the answer, Adra?
7 into 5 by 2.
7 into 5 by 2. Then what is the product of 7 and 5 by 2? It is 35 by 2 itself. Okay. For finding the answer, we have to multiply them. By changing it into reciprocal, we have to multiply them. By multiplying it, we will get 35 by 2 as our answer. Okay. Then what about 6 by 4 by 6 divided by 4 by 7? 6 divided by 4 by 7. Heaven and Joel, please turn on your camera. What is the answer of 6 divided by 4 by 7? For dividing, we have to replace it by multiplication. So we have to multiply 6 with the 7 by 4. Okay, all of you please complete it before our second class. That is 8:30. Okay, no more excuses. All of you have to complete it before 8:30.
Miss, page number ഒന്ന് പറയാവോ?
Page number 45. First try this box. And along with that, you have to find the answer of the second try this box. That is, there is 2 questions given. First one is 6 divided by 5, 1 by 3, and 7 divided by 2, 4 by 7. What is the specialty of that fraction there? 5, 1 by 3. What is the specialty of the fraction 5, 1 by 3? Which type of fraction is that? 5, 1 by 3.
Fraction.
It's a mixed fraction, is it? So, in the case of multiplying a mixed fraction, first what we have to do first? First, we have to change it into an improper fraction in the case of multiplication, is it? Is it? Similarly, in the case of division also, we have to change the mixed fraction into an improper fraction. Got it? You know that how to change a mixed fraction into an improper fraction. That is, first we have to multiply the whole number part with our denominator. Then the product is added to the numerator. Is it? That is, 5 1 by 3 can be written in improper form as 5 into 3, 15. 15 plus 1, 16 divided by 3. 16 divided 3 is, yes?
Multiplication ആയാലും division ആയാലും ഈ mixed fraction proper fraction ആക്കുന്ന same രീതി
Yes,
തന്നെയാണ്.
not proper fraction, improper fraction. Okay. In the case of multiplication and division, in both cases, we have to convert our mixed fraction into improper fraction. Harinand, please.
മിക്സഡ് ഫ്രാക്ഷൻ ആൻസർ കിട്ടി, പക്ഷെ ആ മൂലത്തില്ലേ ഒരു മിക്സഡ് ഫ്രാക്ഷൻ അല്ലാത്തത്
Mm.
അതിന്റെ ആൻസർ എങ്ങനെയാണ് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുന്നത്?
For finding the division of a whole number with a fraction, first we have to convert the fraction by its multiplication. That is, our rule for multiplication, division of fraction is, what we have to do while dividing a whole number by any fraction, multiply that whole number by the reciprocal of that fraction. You can see this in page number 45 at the top. The rule for dividing a whole number by a fraction. Page number 45. That is, to divide a whole number by a fraction, by any fraction, multiply that whole number by the reciprocal of that fraction. Reciprocal means the fraction obtained by interchanging the numerator and the denominator. That is, reciprocal of 2 by 5 is 5 by 2. Reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2 by 1. Reciprocal of 3 by 2 is 2 by 3. And so on. Okay. Okay. Now we are moving to division of fraction by another fraction. Here we are going to study how will we divide two fractions. For that I am choosing two fractions, 1 by 2 and 3 by 4. We have to divide 1 by 2 with 3 by 4. How we can divide this 1 by 2 with 3 by 4? Do you have any idea?
1 by 2 into 4 by
രണ്ട്.
3.
1 by 2 into 4 by 3. That because in another cases we have replaced our division by the multiplication with the reciprocal. So as we have done earlier, here also we have to multiply its reciprocal. That is 1 by 2 into 4 by 3. How will you get this 4 by 3? 4 by 3 is the reciprocal of the fraction 3 by 4. That's why our division changes to multiplication with its reciprocal. Then what is the product of 1 by 2 and 4 by 3? What is it? What is the product of 1 by 2 and 4 by 3? We know that how to multiply two fractions.
4 by 6.
4 by 6. How will you get this 4 by 6? For multiplying two fractions, we have to multiply both the numerators and both the denominators. So here our numerators are 1 and 4. So the product of 1 and 4 is 4. And what about the denominator? Denominators are 2 and 3. Then the product of 2 and 3 is 6. That's why we can write it as 4 by 6. Then can you reduce this 4 by 6 into a simpler form?
Yes, miss. 2 by 3.
It is 2 by
2 by 3.
How will you get this 2 by 3? We know that
Multiple of this.
both 4 and 6 are multiples of 2. Is it? That's why we can divide both by 2. Then we will get as 2 by 3. So when we divide 1 by 2 with 3 by 4, we will get the answer as 2 by 3. Then another one, what is 3 by 5 divided by 5 by 10? What is its answer? What we have to do here? Here also we are dividing two fractions. Division of two fractions is here. So we know that while dividing a fraction with another fraction, we have to change it by multiplication of its reciprocal. That is 3 by 5 into, what is the reciprocal of 5 by 10? What is it?
10 by 5.
It is 10 by 5. 10 by 5. Then what will be the product of 3 by 5 and 10 by 5?
30 by 25.
Here numerators are 3 and 10. Then the product is 30. And what about our denominators? Both the denominators are 5. That's why 5 into 5 is 25. Then can you reduce it into a simpler form? Is 30 and 25 are divisors or multiples of any particular number?
By 5.
Yes,
Five.
both of them are multiples of 5 itself. Then how will you change this 30 by 25 into a simpler form? How many 5s are 30?
6.
6. Okay, then we can replace our numerator as 6. Then what about denominator? How many 5s are 25?
5.
5. Then we can change 30 by 25 as 6 by 5 itself. Then do you familiar with the division of a fraction by another fraction? Heaven, what about you?
മിസ് ഒരു എക്സാമ്പിൾ പറഞ്ഞു തരുമോ?
Okay, പറയാം. Jiva, did you get the idea of fraction, division of fraction by another fraction? Adira, do you have any doubt?
അതൊന്നും കൂടി ഒന്ന്
Hmm.
പിന്നെ വേറൊരു എക്സാമ്പിൾ തന്നിട്ട് ഒന്നും കൂടി എക്സ്പ്ലെയിൻ ചെയ്യാവോ?
Okay. Then what about Halima?
അതൊന്നും ഒന്നും കൂടി എക്സ്പ്ലെയിൻ ചെയ്യാവോ?
Okay. Aradhya.
മിസ് മനസ്സിലായില്ല, ഒന്നുകൂടി പറയൂ.
Okay. Vasudev.
ഒന്നും കൂടി കാണിച്ചു.
Okay. Joel. Okay. Joanna.
ഒന്നുകൂടെ എക്സ്പ്ലെയിൻ ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്.
Okay. Arjun.
മിസ് ഒന്നുകൂടി പറയുക.
Okay. While asking you about, did you have any doubt? You just speak by unmuting yourself. Okay. We don't have time to ask to each of you. That is, for another example, I am choosing 5 by 2 divided by 1 by 3. Here also we have to divide two fractions. That is division of fraction by another fraction. Which are the fractions here? Here the fractions are 5 by 2 and 1 by 3. Here we are dividing this 5 by 2 with the fraction 1 by 3. The dividing fraction is 1 by 3, is it? Yes. So we know that the rule for the division of two fractions. What we have to do for dividing a fraction by another fraction? We have to multiply the second fraction with its reciprocal, is it? Here, our second fraction is 1 by 3. You can see here, our second fraction is 1 by 3. First fraction is 5 by 2 itself. So we have to replace that 5 by 2 as 5 by 2 itself. That is, it is the first fraction. We don't have to change, make any change in our first fraction. We only have to change our second fraction, that is the dividing fraction. Here the dividing fraction is 1 by 3. Then what we have to change this 1 by 3? That is here 1 by 3 is dividing. In this case, we have to replace it as the multiplication with its reciprocal. Then what is the reciprocal of 1 by 3?
3 by 1.
3 by 1.
3 by 1.
How will you get this 3 by 1? Reciprocal means the interchanging. For getting the reciprocal, we have to interchange the numerator and the denominator. That is here numerator is 1 and denominator is 3. So I am changing the denominator 3 as our numerator and the numerator 1 as our denominator. Then the reciprocal of 1 by 3 become 3 by 1. Is it clear now? Okay. Then in our previous classes, we have learned about the multiplication of two fractions. That is, in the case of multiplying two fractions, we only have to do multiply both the numerators and then multiply both the denominators. Here, the numerators are 5 and 3. Then what is the product of 5 and 3?
15.
15. So, our numerator is 15 divided by, what about our denominators? Here, denominators are 2 and 1. Then the product of 2 and 1 is 2 itself. Then we get the division or the product of 5 by 2 and 3 by 1 is 15 by 2. That is the division of fraction by another fraction. 5 by 2 divided by 1 by 3, which is 15 by 2. Is it clear now? The division of two fractions?
Yes, miss.
We have to choose another example. That is 7 by 9. 7 by 9 divided by 3 by 8. Then how will you divide 7 by 9 divided by 3 by 8?
ഞങ്ങൾക്കൊരു വർക്ക്
What's how we can do this? Here also, first we have to find the second fraction, is it? Which is the second fraction here? It is 3 by 8. The second fraction here is 3 by 8. Okay, then what about the second fraction? To replace this fraction by its, what is it? Reciprocal, is it? That is, we have to replace this division with this fraction by the multiplication with this its reciprocal. That is, our first fraction is 7 by 9 itself, and we have to replace the division as multiplication. How will you replace this as multiplication? By replacing this as multiplication,
8 by 3.
We have to choose the reciprocal of 3 by 8. The reciprocal of 3 by 8 is 8 by 3. That is, we have interchanged our denominator and numerator. Then what about the product of 7 by 9 and 8 by 3? What is its product? 7 by 9.
7 by 8 is 56. 56.
7 into 8. What is the product of 7 and 8? It is
56.
Then what about the product of 9 and 3?
27.
27.
27, is it? So our fraction becomes 56 divided by 27. Then can you reduce this into a simpler form? You just check it out. Is 56 and 27 are both multiples of any particular number?
No.
No. That's why we can't reduce it to a simpler form, is it? So our answer is 56 by 27 itself. Then is it clear now, the division of two fractions?
Yes.
What about others?
Miss,
Any doubt you can ask now.
No doubt, miss.
Okay.
No doubt.
Then here also there is a try this box for you in page number 45. That is, in that, which is the first one? Which is our first question? We have to divide 3 by 5 with 1 by 2. Is it? 3 by 5 with 1 by 2. Page number 45. There is a question for you, that is, you have to divide 3 by 5 with 1 by 2. How will you divide 3 by 5 with 1 by 2?
Miss, ipa cheyata miss. Miss, ipa cheyata.
Yes, we can do now. That is, we have to find the division of 3 by 5 with 1 by 2. For finding the value of this division, first we have to replace our second fraction with its reciprocal. That is, 3 by 5 into reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2 by 1. Then we will get the answer as the product of 3 by 5 and 2 by 1 is what?
6 by 5.
6 by 5. How will you get this 6 by 5? Here, the numerators are 3 and 2. Then the product of the numerators is 6. And what about the denominators? The denominators are 5 and 1. Then the product of 5 and 1 is 5 itself. So, while we dividing 3 by 5 with 1 by 2, we will get the answer as 6 by 5. Okay, you can write this in your textbook itself. That is, our first question was 3 by 5 divided by 1 by 2. We know that while dividing a fraction by another fraction, we have to multiply the second fraction with its reciprocal. So we have chosen here, our first fraction is 3 by 5. So first we have write our 3 by 5 as itself, and then replaced our division with 1 by 2 with the reciprocal of 1, multiplication with the reciprocal of 1 by 2. Reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2 by 1. That's why we have get 3 by 5 into 2 by 1. Then we know that while multiplying two fractions, first we have to multiply both the numerators and then we have to multiply both the denominators. So in this case, what is the answer? The answer is 6 by 5. Okay. Then what about the second one? 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 5. Our second question is 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 5.
Same question.
സമത്തൊക്കെ
Is these questions are same?
Yes.
Yes.
അവിടെ മാറ്റിയിട്ടേക്കുന്നയാ.
We have divided 3 by 5 with 1 by 2. But in this case, both the fractions are same, but our question is not same. Is it?
Answer is not same.
Then what about the division? Sorry, how will you change the division with as the multiplication? First, we have to choose our first fraction as itself, that is 1 by 2 itself. Then how will you change this 3 by 5?
5 by 3.
It should be 5 by 3. That is reciprocal of 2 by 5 is 5 by 3. Then what about the product of 1 by 2 and 5 by 3?
5 by 6.
5 by 6.
5 by 6.
6.
Then you can see here is our answers are same. First we have chosen both the
No.
fractions. That is a pair of fraction 3 by 5 and 1 by 2. Is in both case did we get the answer as same?
ചെറിയൊരു മാറ്റം.
Yes. What's the change? The answer is the reciprocal of other
course.
answer. Is it? Reciprocal of 6 by 5 is 5 by 6. Or reciprocal of 5 by 6 is 6 by 5. Is it commutative? Is it commutative? Multiplication of fraction?
No.
Commutative.
No.
What is commutative?
Order.
എങ്ങനെ എഴുതിയാലും അതെ തിരിഞ്ഞാലും കഴിഞ്ഞാലും ശരിയാണ്.
Yes, that's it. We get the same answer by interchange the order of multiplication or order of division. In this case, we have interchanged the order by 3 by 5 divided by 1 by 2 as 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 5. But we will get the different answers. Okay. Then what about 2 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 5? Next question is
Whole number part.
2 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 5. 3 by 5. Here also we can see that here is a mixed fraction. How will you change this mixed fraction into an improper fraction?
2 into 2, 4 plus 1.
2 into 4 plus 1. What is it? It is 5. So
5 by 2.
5 is our numerator. Then what about our denominator?
2.
It is 2 itself. That is in the fraction part, the denominator is 2. That's why we have chosen 2 as the denominator. So the improper fraction corresponding to the mixed fraction 2 1 by 2 is 5 by 2. Then our division changes to 5 by 2 divided by 3 by 5. Then what we have to do here? To find the answer, what we have to do here?
5 by 2 into 5 by 3.
5 by 2 into reciprocal of 3 by 5. What is the reciprocal of 3 by 5? It is 5 by 3.
5 by 3.
By interchanging our numerator and denominator, we will get as 5 by 2 into 5 by 3. Then what about the product of 5 by 2 into 5 by 3?
25 by 6.
It is 25 by 6, is it? That is, our numerators are 5 and 5. So the product of 5 into 5 is 25. And we know that the denominators are 2 and 3. Then the product of the denominators is 2 into 3 is 6 itself. That's why we will get the answer as 25 by 6. Then can you change this 25 by 6 as a simpler form? Into a simpler form? Is 25 and
No.
6 are multiples of any one particular number?
No.
No. So we can't reduce it into a simpler form. Then how will it change this improper fraction into a fraction form? Sorry, mixed fraction form.
First of all, we need to divide 2 by, divided by 2 by 5.
Yes, that's it. First of all, we have to divide 25 by 6 itself. Then what happens when we divide 25 by 6? How many 6s are there in 25? How many 6s are there?
4.
4 6s. What is 4 into 6?
20.
4
24.
into 6 is 24, is it?
Yes.
Okay, then in our numerator it is 25 and we have chosen 24 out of 25. Then what should be the remainder there?
1.
1. The remainder is 1 there and the denominator is 6 itself. So we can change 25 by 6 as 4 1 by 6. You can check it. The answer is same by multiplying the denominator with the fraction whole number part. That is 4 into 6 is 24. 24 plus 1 is 25. That is 25 divided by 6 is itself.
Miss,
Okay.
ഒന്നുകൂടി പറഞ്ഞു.
Yes, we can discuss it one more time. That is, our improper fraction is 25 by 6. Is it? First of all, we have to convert this improper fraction to a mixed fraction. For that, I am just going to divide this 25 with 6. How will you divide 25 with 6? How will you divide? First of all, we have to divide 25 by 6 as like this. Then how many 6s are there in 25?
4.
4 6s. We know that there are 4 6s in 25. Then 4 into 6 become 24. Then by subtracting, what should be our remainder? Remainder should be 1. Okay, then we have divided 25 with 6. While dividing 25 by 6, we will get the remainder as 1 and the answer, that is the whole number part, is 4. Here, first we have to choose this whole number part. Okay, what is the whole number part here? It is 4. So in our mixed fraction, the whole number part is this 4. Okay, the whole number part is this answer 4. This is our whole number part. So we have written here the whole number as 4. And here you can see a remainder 1 is here. Is it? There is a remainder 1. This remainder 1 is our numerator for our fraction. This remainder 1 is the numerator for our fraction. And this 6 is the denominator. Is it clear now, the conversion of an improper fraction to a mixed fraction?
Yes, miss.
Okay, then we have to look another example. How will you change 31 divided by 5? How will you change 31 divided by 5? For that, first we have to divide 31 with 5.
Yes. Yes, 6.
We have
6.
to divide this 31 with the
Reminder 1. Miss 6 കിട്ടും. Reminder 1.
How many 6s are, 5s are there in 31?
6.
We know that 6 into 5 is 30. That's why there are 6 5s are in 31. So it should be 30. And what happens when we subtracting it? The remainder should be 1. Yeah. Then what about the mixed fraction corresponding to this? 31 divided by 5?
6 by 1.
No,
1 by
1 by 5.
1 by 5, is it? Because the whole number part is, which is the whole number part here? It is 6.
6.
6.
So,
6.
corresponding to 31 by 5, we can write it as the whole number part is 6. And we know that the remainder is, what is our remainder? The remainder
1.
is
1.
1.
Is 1.
That's why in our fractional part become 1 by 5. This denominator is this 5. The numbers we are dividing, that is this 5, and the 1 is our remainder. Okay. You can
The denominator
can-
5.
for examples, I have going to given some mixed fraction to convert it to an improper fraction. Okay, you can practice it. And in your textbook, there is one more question for you, that is 5 1 by 6 divided by 9 by 2. 5 1
ചെയ്തു
yes,
ചെയ്തു
yes.
It
What
was
is the answer? How will you
62.
change 5 1 by 2 1 by 6 into an improper fraction?
First of all, we need to 5 into 6 is equal to 30 plus 1, 31.
31 divided by 6, is it?
Yes, miss.
Then it changes to 31 divided by 6 divided by 9 by 2. Then we have to replace our division with the multiplication of its reciprocal. Then what is the reciprocal of 9 by 2?
2 by
2
2
by
9.
by 9.
Is 2 by 9.
31.
Then what about the product?
3 into 31 into 2 is equal to 61.
9.
31 into 2 divided by 6 into 9.
54.
Okay, that's it. Then the others, do it as your homework. Okay, the fourth one, 5 1 by 6 divided by 9 by 2. And I am giving some question for you. That is, you have to convert them into mixed fraction. I am giving some improper fraction for you. That is 64 divided by 9. First one is 64 divided by 9. And the second one is 39 divided by 5. And 98 divided by 8. And 26 divided by 7. 26 divided by 7. Here is 4 questions for you. That is, you have to convert them into mixed fractions. Okay, here some improper fractions are given. You know that